Alright guys, so we're here at the Polynesian today. It's nighttime because we just got back from Hollywood Studios. We just want to give you guys a room tour in case you're interested in staying in a DVC Polynesian villa. So here we walk in. We've got the connecting door with a nice full-length mirror. And then over here to the side, right away, we've got the main bathroom. So it's got your vanity here, and it is a small vanity, but this villa does have two bathrooms, so it's a plus. We'll have two bathrooms even though it's a smaller vanity area. And then tub and regular shower. And yeah, we know what that is. All right. So then if we keep moving here, we got this nice big closet here. Definitely a good sized closet. So we've got the safe, and we've got our ironing board. And it looks like it has a pack and play already in here, just in case you need this. Your iron, basket, extra pillows. All right. As we keep moving, we've got our wet bar here, which is standard in all the studios. So we've got our microwave, and we've got our toaster oven here. There's a light switch. Oh, maybe not. Yeah, there it is. So we've got our toaster and coffee maker and sink and small fridge down here. And then this is the best part about these studios. Extra shower, which is nice if you have 5 people in here. So another vanity, so it kind of makes up for that smaller vanity over there. You actually have 2 vanities. And then check out this shower, guys. We got a bench. We got the rain head. This is nice. Here's a better view. Bench there. Let's check out that shower. Awesome. Alright, and as we move along, this is much bigger than the standard studios. So we still have our queen bed, but the room is just much larger. We have a pull-out couch. We have a nice desk area. We have the larger TV. And then we have an extra bedroom here. I got you. Pull right out. Oh yes. Oh, that light is a nice touch. Kids, we got nice, very nice. All right, so this is a standard view studio. So let's check out our balcony. All right, not too bad, not too bad. So we've got a view of semi-parking lot. Mostly other longhouses, which is really cool. So not too bad. I'll take it. All right, guys. Well, that wraps up our tour of a DVC studio villa with the Polynesian.